So today I will explain a little bit about growing this Colocasia affinis. Among the native Colocasias, this is one of the more delicate one and rarer also. Mainly it occurs naturally on the walls, these laterite and mud walls, in that crevices and all it grows. And then it cannot tolerate waterlogging at all. Unlike the other Colocasias, this one needs moisture, constant moisture, full shade, plenty of shade, with hardly about 1 hour or 2 hours of sunlight is more than enough. And speckled shade also is okay. And then water should not log, and then it shouldn't become clumpy, and compacted soil should not form at the bottom of the pot. Then its roots also is not much. So I would recommend to grow it in a pot with little depth, so that you can add some dry leaves and food for the new plants and for the healthy growth over a period of time. Over here you can add some teak leaf, 1 or 2 leaves as a top layer to protect moisture and all, and create a nice dark soil. It will need like this black color. So no water logging, plenty of shade, and then little bit slopey area is good. So because that's how it occurs naturally. Then in the summer, if the water is less, this upper part will dry up like all the Colocasias, and then in the monsoon once again it will sprout. It's quite easy to grow, and it's a good balcony plant, and for canopied, shady, moist, cool places it's good, and also for terrariums and all, looks very attractive, and it is also hard to find in the nurseries and all that. And in my channel, if you search, you will find its original location, natural locations, how it occurs. And so far I have not seen it in a virgin forest. So probably it is occurring where little bit human activity is there. So possibly it is a long ago it is naturalized from other parts of the world maybe, or it is there naturally. I am not sure about it. Like the caladium and all, it is possible that it has come from elsewhere and now settled in the country. And I have seen it in Western Ghats region here and there, in slopey areas, and then in the compound walls, mud walls and all, it is found. And it's very attractive. Coloration also is there. And if the light is very less, then this color becomes little bit more dark and rich and nice. But it's among the delicate plants. It's not for beginners. It's more for little bit advanced people, and it will, in the landscape also, it can be very beautifully used. In the ground also it survives.